In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize text in Wave.video. Let's jump right in by opening your Wave.video project. This brings you to the canvas where you'll apply all your changes. With your project open, head to the text section in the editor. You'll typically find it in the main toolbar or side panel, depending on your layout. Clicking text reveals the tools you'll use to place and style your message. Next, click Add Text. A text box appears on your canvas, ready to be edited. Click inside that box and type your message. Keep your wording clear and concise so it reads well at a glance. If your text replaces placeholder content, just select the placeholder and start typing to overwrite it. Now it's time to make the text look just right. Explore the settings to match your brand and the mood of your video. Start with font choice, selecting a typeface that aligns with your style. Clean sans serifs for modern looks, or elegant serifs for a more classic tone. Adjust the font size so the message is readable across devices. Larger for titles, smaller for supporting lines. Choose a style or weight like bold or italic to create a visual hierarchy that guides the viewer's eye. Fine-tune alignment, line spacing, and letter spacing for polish and readability. Centered text can feel balanced on minimal scenes, while left-aligned text often looks more editorial. Next, pick a color with strong contrast against your background. If your footage is busy, consider a semi-transparent shape, highlight, or background fill behind the text for clarity. You can also add effects like shadow, outline, or glow to separate the text from the video without overpowering the visuals. If your brand kit is available, use your brand fonts and colors for consistency. Keep the amount of text on screen manageable. Shorter phrases are easier to absorb. Place your text within safe areas so it isn't cut off on different screens, and make sure it doesn't cover important action in the shot. If your message spans multiple lines, break it thoughtfully to maintain natural reading flow. Feel free to test a few font combinations, sizes, or effects until it feels cohesive. The goal is legibility first, style second. When your message looks the way you want, you're done. You've successfully added and customized text in your Wave.video project, ready to complement your visuals and tell your story clearly.